Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn English with Fun. Well, I have two objects right now in my hand. This is an apple and this is a ball, as you can see. I'm going to do something with these two objects to teach you something very practical. मैं कुछ करने जा रहा हूँ इन सभी दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स को लेके जो कि आपको बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस देगी ग्रामर को अच्छे से सीखने के लिए. Well, I'm going to teach you about prepositions. Yes, my dear friends, I'll put these two objects at different places, at different positions. I'll frequently keep changing its positions and you have to understand and learn about the prepositions which I am using. मैं सभी तरह के prepositions अभी आपको सिखाने वाला हूँ. So watch this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, so for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, without any further delay, let's quickly get started. I'm putting this inside the ball. It means the apple is in the ball. The apple is in the ball. I hope it is clear. Next is the apple is in front of the ball. The apple is in front of the ball. Next is the apple is behind the ball. The apple is behind the ball. I hope this is also very clear. Next is, as you can see right now, this apple is between me and the ball. This apple is right now between me and the ball. Okay. Now, as you can see, this apple is now under the ball. Or you can see like this as well. The apple is right now under the ball because it is covering this another object. क्योंकि ये बॉल जो है दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट को पूरा क्या कर चुका है, कवर कर चुका है. So I'll say this apple is under the ball, under the ball. I hope this is also clear. Next is, I will say this is over the ball. This is over the ball. This apple is over the ball means something which is another object which is exactly above your head. So that time you can use over. It means जो स्ट्रेटली आपके सर के ऊपर किसी बॉडी के ऊपर रखी गई है तो आप क्या बोलेंगे, ओवर यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम सेइंग राइट नाउ हियर इज दिस एप्पल इज ओवर द बॉल. आई होप दिस इज ऑल्सो क्लियर. नाउ राइट नाउ आई कैन पुट दिस एट अ डिफरेंट प्लेस. आई विल से दिस एप्पल इज अबव द बॉल. This apple is above the ball. It means, what is the difference between over and above? Over means something which is exactly placed overhead. सिर के ऊपर जैसे हम प्लेस कर रहे हैं तो वैसी बातें जब हमें करनी है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, ओवर. अदरवाइज अगर किसी भी पोजीशन पे है, थोड़ा साइड में है, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे, दिस इज कॉल्ड अबव. दिस इज कॉल्ड अबव. नाउ इफ आई प्लेस दिस ऑब्जेक्ट राइट नाउ in the same line of another object, I'll say this apple is beside the ball. This apple is beside the ball. It means that I'm putting this apple just after or just next to this ball, to this another object. Now, I have a question for you everyone, that how to use a prepositions for this condition. Well, right now I'm leaving a question for you everyone. If you guys know the answer, please do comment down below so that I also can understand that you are learning a lot of things from these kind of lessons. So the question is, this apple is dash the ball. This apple is dash the ball. I'm giving you four options. The first option is in, the second option is above, the third option is on, and the fourth option is over. So please do comment down below and let me know how much did you learn from this lesson. Thanks a lot everyone for watching this video till the end. At the end, like always, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.